The Buteyko technique is a therapeutic technique for people who hyperventilate. And Buteyko thought that most people do hyperventilate. It's the fight or flight. So we're supposed to be able to handle stress, right? The body's supposed to assimilate it, we're supposed to process it, and it's appropriate for our heart rate to increase. You know, if someone's gonna come and mug me, right, I'm gonna get ready to run, and the blood's gonna be shunted to my extremities, and my heart rate is gonna increase, and I'm gonna get adrenaline, and my breathing rate is gonna increase, and I'm gonna have all these different physiological symptoms. But what he noticed was that in modern day society, what happens is, you know, we're supposed to go back to a resting state after that. And most of the time we don't. And then what we see is chronic hidden hyperventilation syndrome. And that's what the Buteyko technique is geared to address. Now, the interesting part is that it's not just for respiratory conditions, right? It's not just for asthma or sleep apnea. When we hyperventilate, we throw off the metabolic processes in the body. And so every system in the body can be affected. And as further slides are going to show, is that if you remember that our brain controls our breathing. And mostly it controls our breathing so that we keep carbon dioxide and oxygen in balance. If we chronically hyperventilate, we throw off that pH, that carbon dioxide and oxygen balance. And that sets us up for all these systemic symptoms. So with the Buteyko breathing, it's an anti-hyperventilation breathing technique, and we want to normalize the breathing and reset the respiratory centers in the brain.